This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable JavaScript in the Brave web browser. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my phone here. I have my phone open now and I am on the Brave web browser. To enable or disable JavaScript in the Brave browser, it's very easy to do. First thing you want to do is go down to the lower right hand corner and tap on the three-dot hamburger menu. Then you want to scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Settings and tap on Settings. Next, you want to tap on Brave Shields and Privacy. Then you'll scroll down just a little ways to where you see it says Block Scripts. Below that it says Blocks JavaScript. You want to toggle that on to block JavaScript. And you toggle it off to allow JavaScript. That is how to enable or disable JavaScript on the Brave web browser. Thanks for watching.